Hello and welcome to Art with Miss Zoe.
Today we'll be learning about unity and variety with paint. Unity is created through repetition, like how I've repeated these circles. Variety is created with different shapes, sizes, textures, and colors, like how I've used different circles here. Both work together to create a cohesive composition. For this project, you will need paint, paper, and a paintbrush. I started off with two colors. I did pink and green. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to create a pattern by using the green paintbrush, and I decided to see what it would look like if I just made a vertical stroke. And I am using that vertical stroke to make a pattern. This is a good time to experiment with your paintbrush and see what kind of marks you can make with it. Next, I grabbed a smaller paintbrush in pink paint, and I decided to see what would happen if I just did a dot with my paintbrush. And so I used that to add variety. So I've created unity in my composition by creating a pattern, and I've created variety by doing a different set of shapes. I'm going to add a little more variety by adding a nice squiggly line in between these lines of pattern. And so again, I've created unity by using a pattern and shapes that look the same, and I've created variety with a variety of shapes and line types. I hope you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and keep making.